Okay, this is going to be almost personal reading, all that I need to know about your person moving forward. So let's see for the next, let's take 3 days, you versus them. So what's going on? All signs collective, please. Please give us a basic idea as to what's happening in your person's life. What are they up to? What they want with you? Where things are going to be going forward. Right now with 10 of wands, you're overly burdened with this connection. Okay, some of you might also have work pressure, a lot of things going on in your personal life, professional life, and this relationship also is kind of messing up with you now. In the past, yes, you did try to keep that faith, that hope that this might get some way. You were still trying to be positive, but right now you are not. Okay, with 10 of wands, you're overly burdened. You are feeling drained by this connection, and you're very heavy thanks to this connection. Okay, one more card. What else is happening in your life currently? Okay, with 10 of cups, so many of you really wish if you guys were in a very happy, loving, receiving relationship. Okay, where you guys felt loved, where you knew that this was leading somewhere, it had a future, it would possibly go in a certain direction. You wanted something like that, but you do not have it. Okay, with 10 of wands and 10 of cups here, it's like your relationship is stressing you out. Okay, one more card. What else do we see coming up? What else do we see coming up? Okay, with Page of Wands, for many of you, I do believe quite recently, some of you, not all of you, could have messaged your person or reached out to your person, and you did not get the necessary reaction from them. For selected few of you, I do see your past friend returning in your life. Someone could have returned, or someone is returning, or this could be a friend for some of you. It could be an ex as well, doesn't have to be, but could be. But I do see you in communication for the next 3 days. I see you in a good mood, to be very honest. Okay, yes, this relationship could be messing up with you, but I also see you happy with the 10 of cups and page of wands here. Someone who messages you is going to kind of lighten up your mood, is going to make you feel good. Okay, in terms of your connection, one card, what's the overall energy going to be like between you and them in terms of the connection, please, spirit. With the moon card, lots of fears, lots of insecurities, lots of doubts regarding this connection, this person, what are they up to, a lot of things happening, I mean, a lot of question marks. Okay, in the past you did try to make a decision, but you are not being able to. With the moon card, you still find yourself being stuck to this connection, reason being no closure, no outcome. Okay, I also feel you are questioning a lot about this person, like what are they even doing? If they're not giving me attention, where are they, with whom are they, like what are they really up to? Okay, all sort of questions popping up. One more card. In terms of your person, what are they going through? In terms of your person, what are they going through? Your person with 7 of pentacles is kind of, like, how do I put it, like overthinking about what they need to do. Okay, they are not taking action. I'll be honest with you, this person is focused on not taking action. They are wanting to take more time. They are wanting to think about it practically, logically, emotionally, and make a decision. Right now, I do not see them taking any sort of action towards you. Okay, they are in this phase where they want to take time away from you, or take time away from their social life in order to think about something, in order to make a decision. Okay, one more card. What are they up to? Yeah, with 4 of cups, this almost looks like your person isn't giving you any sort of attention. Okay, with 4 of cups, they are holding back a lot. They are resisting you, and they are staying away. Okay, one more card. In terms of what's happening in their personal space or personal life. With 2 of pentacles, I believe for many of you, your person could have had an option It doesn't have to be always romantic. It could be that they had a better suitor. I'm not saying that they were better than you or they are worse than you. Who am I to judge, right? But with Two of Pentacles, Four of Cups, I do feel this person has an option. The reason why they are not reaching out is because they do not know what to do with this whole situation, whether they should come towards you, whether they should give up on you, whether they should go towards the other person and ignore you. They do not know what to do. That's the reason why they're ignoring both of you. But I do feel on a very honest note that they have an option. Okay, if it's not romantic, it could also be something, someone else is kind of getting the attention right now or have got the attention right now. Okay, in terms of how do they view this connection now, how do they truly view this connection now? Okay, with the Hierophant card, they know that if they come towards you, you want it to go in a certain direction. That is, you want 10 of Cups, you want to get married, you want to have kids, you want to have a future, right? They know it. Okay, one more card. In terms of how do they view you now, how do they truly view you now? Are they even ready for a commitment is a big question mark, because they know what they want, what you want, and that could be stressing them, that if they come towards you, they'll have to, give you an answer or give you a closure, and they're not ready for it. Okay, with Strength card, right now they are resisting you. I'll be straightforward. They are resisting you. They also think you are resisting them. So it's like you both are mirroring each other, where you both are kind of in your ego, your pride. You both are not wanting to reach out. Okay. With Six of Swords, in the past as well, selected few of you emotionally, you were completely detached from this individual. You tried your level best to not show your emotions. Yes, you might have messaged. Yes, you could have reacted. Yes, you could have replied to their message. But I don't see you emotionally being involved in this connection in the past. When I say past, I mean past couple of days, maybe a week. Okay, not more than like past 3 fucking months. Okay. One more card in terms of, okay, Chariot. Also speaks about options. It could be that for some of you, your person is at a distance, physical distance. Okay, that could have also got in the way. And this person is somewhat of a workaholic. They give a lot of their time to their work, their finances, which is good. But sometimes they should also balance it out between their emotional life and financial life. Okay. So in terms of their emotions, what do they have for you now? What's going on, Spirit? Knight of Cups. I got the same card for my own personal reading in the morning today. So yeah, Knight of Cups. So I do believe on looking at the cards here, that your person is still having feelings for you. Bottom card, Magician card. In the past couple of months, I believe they kind of reached out, they kind of tried to get a reaction out of you. They were taking some sort of action towards you. Okay, they were making some sort of move towards you. But right now they are not. They are silent. I'm not saying that they are not replying to your messages, but they are silent. You kind of feel something off about them. Okay. So with Knight of Cups here, they do have emotions for you. Okay. One more card in terms of their heart space. What's happening in terms of their heart space? We have two cards. In terms of their heart space, I do not know what you did or what they did towards this connection, but there's a lot of pain involved. Okay, with Ten of Swords, either you hurt them or they hurt you, and it's not completely sorted, or it's not they haven't come to terms, or you haven't come to terms. And whenever you kind of reach out or kind of vibe again or message again or talk again, someone brings that topic up and it kind of gets everything messed up. Okay, you know what I'm trying to say, right? You speak about it and it brings up all that pain that you have gone through, all that memories, all the good and bad memories that you know kind of gets in the way, I would say. Okay, I don't think you have healed from what they have made you go through, or what Some of you could have made them go through, but someone betrayed the other person, someone hurt the other person. Doesn't always have to be that they chose another person, they married another person. It could also be in small things. Something happened where someone felt betrayed. You know it, I know it, but so let me know how this person betrayed you or how you betrayed them. You can be honest. Sometimes we hurt people. I've hurt some people in my life as well. But whatever. But yeah, one more card in terms of how do they think about you intellectually, what's happening in their mind right now. Okay, intellectually, like in terms of their mind space, head space, I would say that they feel absolutely addicted to you, obsessed with you. They are not being able to let go. But I can tell you this much, that they do have an option. It is not that your person is completely focused on you 100%. They are not. If they were, they would have tried harder, they would have got your reaction, they would have made something happen. Okay, the only reason they are not doing it is because there is something else getting in the way. Besides their pride, besides their ego, besides their fears, besides their commitment issues, there's also a option which I clearly see in this reading getting in the way. Okay, so in terms of their intentions, what's happening, spirit? In terms of their intentions with the Hanged Man right now, just like I told you, they want to keep things stagnant, keep things stuck. They do not want things to move anyway, neither get ended, nor move in a positive direction, nor in a negative direction. Okay, what action are they going to take towards you? What action are they truly going to take towards you now? Four of Swords. The cards just speak up for themselves. If you understand tarot, you know what Four of Swords stand for. They are not going to take action. They are rather going to keep things at halt. They are rather focused on their self right now, healing themselves, fixing themselves, coming to some sort of closure personally. Okay, selected few of you, your person might be sick health wise. They want to use this time, like utilize this time to heal themselves. And I do not see this person reaching out or making any sort of move towards you, at least for the next 24 hours. Even if you message them, I honestly do not see this person reacting in a very positive or in a very loving way. They could just see the message or just like the message or give you a one word reaction. Now trying to say very minimal. Okay, but what can you expect further moving forward? What could happen, spirit? Okay. For selected few of you, I do believe that selected few of you, you guys have already got blocked. Like this person has blocked communication. Doesn't have to be that your person has blocked you on social media, but they are definitely blocking the communication. Okay, Seven of Wands. I won't lie. Some of you might also get blocked. Okay, not permanently. This is not permanent. This is for the next 3 days. Reason being, your person is not ready to face you. Okay, it could also be that they have done something that kinds of makes them feel this way, that they are not ready to face you. They're kind of guilty, they feel ashamed, and they are not ready to face you one on one. Okay, where things are going to be going for the next couple of days, where things could be going for the next couple of days, spirit? Okay, with Six of Pentacles, I do see things coming at some sort of balance. This person and you both coming back on the same page, but this could take time. Okay, but yes, it's possible. This won't be permanent, but yes, there will be a break. It won't be a break up. It would be a break. You know, like Ross and Rachel were on a break in Friends. Remember? Likewise. So yeah. So what's your person up to? What's your person up to? Oh my God. What's your person? Okay, right now I believe they are just wanting to distance themselves from everything. They might also focus completely on their finances. Okay, but for now, I see this person wanting to stay alone. Okay, so what's blocking this connection? What's really getting in the way? One thing is your person isn't ready to face you, and second, I do feel for selected few of you, a younger person, someone younger to your person could have kind of got in the way. They are giving them attention, and your person is kind of using that as a distraction. In no which way your person is in love with that person, but I do see your person using that other thing that is coming their way as a distraction to possibly not think about you. Okay, that's the two cards here, right? So let's take more messages from your person. I know this was a very heavy read. I'm feeling the heaviness myself. By the way, my cousin is doing very well. Okay, she's discharged. My uncle is also doing well, health wise. So thank you so much for all your wishes, all your prayers, all your good vibes coming my way towards my family. It really meant a lot. All those who have already booked a personal reading, I'm working on them, or you'll be getting them in next maybe 3-4 days max, based on the due date. So what all you need to know in terms of personal messages? What all you need to know? Sign readings would start in June. 3 people involved. One more card. Just like I told you, there's another individual who's involved romantically or sexually, maybe. Loves you. Just like I told you, they do have feelings for you. Where things could be going, Spirit. It's not easy to stay away from you. Okay, that's the message. It's not easy to stay away from you, and they also have a fear. Are they really wasting your time? Am I hurting them by being a part of this connection? Am I going to hurt this person in the future? So those all questions come in the picture. Okay, so yes, this is all I have for you in terms of your almost personal reading. Please like the video, comment about your situation. If you have issues regarding this reading, anything you would want to say, or possibly let me know, you could message me on my WhatsApp or my email or my DM on my Instagram. So yes, if you are a Libra, I've done the Libra in separation, particularly third party or situationship reading already. It's extended in detail 20-minute video. If you're a Libra and you want to purchase that, that's up on Etsy. Go to my website and buy one for yourself. It's around $4, I believe. It's very much in detail. It helps you understand how the things are going to be going, why things are happening this way, what your person is up to, their feelings, and what could happen week wise, first week, second week, third week. Okay, so yes, that is all I have today. And all those who want to book a personal reading, please go to my website, check all the readings, the listings I've had there, and accordingly, if you think you want one, you could reach out on my WhatsApp. Please do not message me unnecessarily on WhatsApp. Everything is up on my website regarding the rates, regarding the what all it has in terms of what's all going to be covered. Okay, but some people just use the WhatsApp to just ask weird random questions, and at the end of the thing they just say thank you and walk away. I mean, why would you just want to waste my time when you have all the information on the website? If you want to convert the price, say suppose it's in pounds or dollars to Indian rupees or any other currency, just use Google. Just use a calculator. Right? So yeah, thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon, guys. I didn't want to be rude, but it really annoys me when people just message you, take like 20 minutes of your day, and at the end of the chat they say thank you so much for answering these questions. I was just here to waste your time. I didn't really want a reading. So yeah, thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers.